Okay, so here we're asked to solve an exponential equation. So the first step is to isolate that exponential. We'll do that first by subtracting 5 on both sides. In that case, we get negative 10 to the 4x equals negative 2. Now, in this particular example, I have a negative number equals a negative number. I'm going to divide both sides or multiply both sides by negative 1, and that'll give me 10 to the 4x equals 2. Now, it's an exponential expression over here, so I want to get that 4x down. To do that, what we're going to do is apply the log to both sides. Now, we're going to choose, we have a choice. We could choose to take the natural log of both sides, or we can take the common log of both sides. Since this is base 10, I'm going to choose to take the common log of both sides. So log of 10 to the 4x power, that's going to allow me here next to apply the power rule for logarithms and bring that down as a coefficient. All right, so that gives me 4x log of 10 equals log of 2. Now, this is the common log. The base is 10. So log base 10 of 10 is just 1. And that gives me 4x then equals log of 2. I'll go ahead and put that in parentheses. Now, we're solving for x. Last thing to do, divide by 4, and we get x equals log of 2 divided by 4. Now, that's the exact answer. Now, sometimes your instructor is going to ask for the approximate answer. In that case, it's no big deal. Just do that on a calculator. And so when I do that, I get approximately 0.075. Right? So that's my approximate answer. Either way, that's what x is.